Alright, we're pulling out of that lot that we just came in. And make a right over here. Alright, that's Peachtree Street and we're on Ellis, so we're in the right place. This time I got the camera a lot more secure. To the left there's a not the JW Marriott, I feel stupid. Oh, what is it? It's... Oh, the Ritz-Carlton. That's it. To the left. And also to the left is the parking garage for 191 Peachtree Tower. The nicest parking garage I've ever seen in my life. Yeah, it even has like little pillars on it, making it look like a Roman-esque building. I mean, for a parking garage, it's pretty amazing. And to the right there is the parking for the Georgia Pacific Tower. And these do... Oh! No, you actually can park there. Huh, for an hour. Alright, we're gonna pull into the right lane here. So you can get up the highway. Got a green light and these roads are bumpy as hell. Here we come to the stupid ramp meters. Let's see if they're as dumb as they were last time. Boing. Prepare to stop. Oh, they actually do have a purpose this time. We're gonna get stuck here in all the traffic for Highway 20. In here. To the right is downtown Atlanta and also Grady Hospital, which is a gigantic building complex. Oh, thanks for changing lanes without using your signals. Oh. You can see a MARTA train up there. That looks like an older car to me. Let's see. It's about the narrowest highway I've ever driven on. Of course, I am in a large SUV, so... I think I'm becoming a road geek. That I'm filming driving down a highway. Yep, that's a road geek, alright. Alright, we're gonna go over there. To the left is Turner Field, which is Atlanta's baseball stadium. Well, good thing AirTran there has an electronic billboard, because they used to have about 20 billboards saying that, you know, AirTran Airlines, an airline that Michael Vick flies. Whoops. Oops, that was a mistake. Back then there was all that junk about him having marijuana trying to get on an AirTran flight. Who cares? He's in jail. In fact, the Atlanta Humane Society, because everyone was getting rid of their Vic jerseys, Atlanta Humane Society actually said, you know, donate them to us. And so they use the Michael Vick jerseys, you know, for dog to help clean up dog poop. You know, it's kind of like the dog poop areas, which is a respect that, you know, the Michael Vick deserves. But enough of that. We don't need to bury our heads and let's just forget about it. Alright, this is at the point where we're still on the downtown connector, but this thing will stop vibrating. There we go. Let's see, this is where they split off into 75 and 85. Sorry for that sun there. It's a bright day outside. We're going to get in the right lane for I-85 South. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, someone must have gone through that fence. Whoa. Of course, there actually was a tour bus that went over the highway, went over the fence and crashed onto the highway. Like, 9 people actually died. It was because they took the HOV lane by accident, and the driver was unsure as to what it was and kept going at highway speeds, and sure enough, like, when he saw the stop signs, it was way too late. So, yep, this is where they split here. Sorry for all that lens glare. Sheesh. That's about it. This is heading south towards the Atlanta airports.